recipe I'm gonna share with you is the chawanmushi. Chawanmushi is a Japanese steamed egg custard. So, if you want to know on how to make this chawanmushi, join me guys until the end of the video. Okay, let's get started. Okay guys, I'm going to steam the chawanmushi or the savory custard egg. today. Try to make a chawanmushi. And thank you for watching. See you on my next videos. Mata ne! See you on my next videos. Bye bye.